Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Aamini's Table. I'm here with a very quick and easy recipe for this delicious raw mango delight, for which you will need 2 raw mangoes and a semi-ripe mango roughly chopped, a handful of curry leaves, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seed powder, salt to taste, a quarter cup of sugar and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. So begin with pouring the vegetable oil into a non-stick kadai. Once it's nice and hot, pop in the mustard seeds. As they begin to crackle, add the curry leaves and saute it for a minute. So now in goes the roughly chopped mango. Give it a good mix and let this cook for a minute or two with the flame on simmer. So now in goes the turmeric powder, followed by red chili powder, cumin seed powder and salt. Give it a good mix and let this cook for a minute or two. So now in goes a quarter cup of sugar. You can add more or less depending on your taste and preference. Give it a good mix and let this cook on simmer until the sugar is all melted. So there you go, delicious raw mango delight is well served for you guys only at Aamini's Table. And yes, this can be stored in the refrigerator, put into an airtight glass jar for up to 2 to 3 days. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair.